right, here's the answer to 3A in the activities. This is something we haven't done before, so we'll walk through it kind of slowly. We have an input n, which is like a structure number. It's an input value. And then we have an output value b. And b is an expression that uses the n somewhere in it. So this says 2 times 1 plus 5, 2 times 2 plus 5, 2 times 3 plus 5, 2 times 4 plus 5, and you're supposed to continue that pattern. So some of what happens in this expression stays absolutely the same each time. There's a 2 times all the way down. There's a plus 5 all the way down. But there's a part in the expression that changes all the way down. You see, that's the part that varies, or where the variable will go in the expression. So let's write it for number 5. We'll have a 2 times because that stays the same. Something in here is going to change. And plus 5 because that will stay the same. Now notice that all of these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, match all of these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number that belongs here is a 5. We'll do the same thing for 6. Here's the part that stays the same. And for the part that's different, we want to use the 6. So now when we get to the end, don't use the number 7. We want to put the input in, which is now the variable n, plus 5. There. So look for patterns of things that stay the same, and for things that change. And for the part that changes, that's where your variable is going to go. Now this one was very nice because all of the numbers matched from the input column, so we didn't have to tweak the variable at all. And by tweak, I mean you might have to sometimes change the input to make it match the pattern. So be very careful, especially those of you who have to answer part C on number 3.